Hello, welcome back to our channel Youth Confession. Today we are in Marem, where the villagers are celebrating an auspicious occasion known as their Salt Fest. And then this festival is a native celebration where
Heat from this fire goes to the extreme. Okay, and then from there they will extract the salt.
try to celebrate the culture. In ancient days, before the salt was being manufactured, they used to cook from water, and then they keep on cooking, and then that water will turn into salt, and that's how they extract and use for their daily essentials. Anyway, it's been a while that I haven't been to our channel, and if you are new out there, please do subscribe and support our channel so that we may continue to explore, and then we may continue to see, and then we may continue to carry on this adventure, exploring so many new things. So anyway, we are in Marem. Welcome back, and let's go and find out more about it. Let's go and find out. Let's go.
It's very amazing the way they extract salt and then the way it is being made. This is very nutritious and it helps a lot. Doesn't have any side effect. Okay, so it is very advisable for daily use. But this is the well from where they are able to produce salt.
We're
going to measure the depth of this well. Okay. So that is the depth of this well.
If you cook food with this, you'll not eat because it is only water or salt. So it's very salty. And then we have one more out here. So I shall be using my hand. This is also equally salty, but as per the information, they cook that. And then since the container of salt is more, it cooks better and faster with that water. Anyway, we shall check some more places. Come, let's go.
So this is the second spot. And this is equally deep. So this is they said this is number 2, and then the salt which they get from here is whiter. They call it yang, because those who have strength, they will come and take from here, fetch water, and then they will go out there, and then they will cook from there. So that's why this is known as yang. Anyway, I'm going to taste it. So this is the I shall be tasting this.
This is equally salty, but there seems to be a slight odor. It's interesting. Let's go.
So this is the third well. Okay, so they have kept a big lock deep down, which they cannot take out. Here's a big fire. Once again, the water from this well. This is the third well. Okay, so let's tasting. This is also equally salty, but less. Those, the first ones are much better. They are much saltier. It's kind of sieving down. Let's go. go and see. So this is the real site where they are cooking the salt. Okay, this is how they cook the salt. So it has got 5 of its such kind of cauldron. Mấy vợ hilin man sao yang? Mấy vợ hilin sao rồi? Last. Second he sang there, 30 hitara. He went he sang rồi. Last. Please. So this is how they are cooking their salt. It's very hot, and then the heat is extreme. Okay. So as per the information, what they do is they need to first fill up this cauldron with water. Okay. First, second, then third, then fourth, and then last they'll keep there. Then from there they will extract the salt, and then after extracting the salt, they will put in a basket to sieve it out. Once they sieve it out, this is how they collect the salt. And then once they have collected the salt, and they, according to what the tradition is, they will pack in leaf. They'll pack in the leaf, and then they usually form in let's say different types of shape. And then we don't use any kind of leaf to pack this salt, but we have one particular leaf which is rather big. Okay, so with that they used to pack. So this is how the people of Marem, they are able to produce the salt of their own, which is very essential. And then this is not the only site where they cook and where they produce salt, but we have another one out there. I will show you. Okay, let's go and see about it as well. There is no place for the heat to exit except from the extreme end. So they will put the fire here, and then the heat will come out from there. So all these pots are equally being heated up. Okay, so this is it, and then this is the place where they will keep their basket, kind of basket to sieve up. Okay, and then hang thao mà hang da direct. No. Direct mà hang này. Most probably most probably in olden days they might have cook carry with this water without extracting, but this is too salty. We won't be able to use if this is too salty. This. So this is how they are able to produce salt. Then see, they have kept firewood like this. Okay, so with this firewood they are able to cook, able to produce salt. So this is the firewood of particular person, another person one. And then this is the fire hearth where they are able to produce salt. So what do you say? According to me, this is a very interesting, because they are able to produce, and then this salty spring, they never get dry. So it's a blessing from the Almighty as well. Okay.